Good morning. This is Troy Chalet from Karen Paul & Associates, and I am coming to you for our virtual open house of 809 Hyde Road. Beautiful courtyard. I'm going to show you this wonderful 4-bedroom townhouse today. Totally renovated and updated at 809 Hyde Road. Again, Troy Chalet from Karen Paul & Associates, and I want to show you our new listing. 4-bedroom, 3-bath townhome on Hyde Road. Nice and bright, huge windows, nice new updates, contemporary styling, nice floors. Let's go down the main hall. We're offering at $689, so we're listed at $689,000 for this large 1,472 square feet townhome, offering 4 beds and, get this, 2 parking spots, 2 underground parking spots. Nice kitchen with nice appliances, stone countertops, lots of surface area, lots of storage. Really nice and bright. Hello, what happened there? There we go. Back to the show. Nice eat-in kitchen, dining area. Let's take a look out to the fully interlocked backyard with the gate to the back common area. Tons of room. Off the kitchen, we have a nicely updated powder room. Love the flooring here. Very contemporary, easy, neutral. Nice. Up the stairs. Let's go see these bedrooms. Great linen closet. Lots of storage space. Bedroom number 1. Again, nice and clean, contemporary finishes. Nice and bright. 809 Hyde Road, right downtown Burlington, just steps from the downtown core to the waterfront. Easy access from your 2 underground parking spots to the QEW and 407, as well as the GO stations. Nicely finished 4-piece. Let's keep moving on. Master bedroom. Very generous space. Tons of closet space. And we have an ensuite powder room. Just exceptional for a condo townhouse. Again, this is 809 Hyde Road, being offered at $689,000. We're 1,472 square feet above grade. All right, let's take a look downstairs. Again, just newly updated finishes, great neutral colors, 1,472 square feet above grade. Let's go see the basement's unfinished but clean, ample space, and really this is the great part, underground parking. 2 spots, one right here and one just over there. Couldn't ask for more. The rest of the basement is large, laundry, lots of potential space. There we go, a little bit better. Very usable space. So you come in from your underground parking, you go right up the stairs into your clean, contemporary 4-bedroom condo. Again, we're at 809 Hyde, offering at $689,000, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, so that's a 4-piece and 2 powder rooms. Right close in Burlington Central. Just do a quick jaunt upstairs again. One bedroom. Master with powder room ensuite. Newly renovated 4-piece. Subway tile, looks great, right on trend. Really generous 3rd bedroom and nice 4th bedroom. Large closets in all the bedrooms, lots of space. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to Karen Paul and Associates. You can reach out to Karen Paul, Colin Gainham, Troy Chalet, and we'd be happy to take you through this excellent value in a beautiful 4-bedroom townhouse in central Burlington. Thanks so much and have a great day. Look at that view. Such a nice area.